Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Music no results found. Now, I get it. If you have an awesome Instagram story and you want that perfect song to go with it, it's frustrating if it says that no music or no songs are found. I'm going to open up Instagram and walk you through 3 different options you have to get it fixed and get those music and songs available. So let's just swipe over to the right here, and I'm just going to take a quick photo and tap on the sticker at the very top here. And from here, I'm going to tap where it says music at the middle left there. And I'm just going to search for something random. Say I'm going to search for fun. So you can see that a bunch of songs pulled up. It doesn't show no music found here. The first step that you'll want to go through is let's just hop into a browser and do a quick speed test. We want to make sure that your internet is fast enough so that you can load up those songs. So just tap and run a quick speed test. If it's anything faster than say 5 megabytes per second, you're good to go, and that is not the issue. Now, the next step that we'll want to do is we'll go into Instagram again, and let's just hop out of here, discard, and then exit out of there. We will tap on our profile icon at the very bottom right, and then the 3 lines at the top right. And from here, we'll tap on settings at the top, and then account towards the bottom. Now we'll scroll down and you can see at the bottom it says switch to professional account. So sometimes if you have a personal account, you can have issues with no songs or no music available. So just tap on switch to professional account, go through these steps, just hit continue. It's pretty basic. And go ahead and hit continue, and it will switch you over to a professional account, which a lot of times gets you those songs if they're not necessarily available on a personal account. And exit out of there, and then now you can see I am on a professional account. Now the last step that you can go through if you're still having issues is let's hop out of here and open up settings, and then tap on general, and then iPhone storage. Now this will load up with all of your apps on your iPhone, and we'll want to find that Instagram app once it loads up. There it is. And we'll offload this app and then reinstall it. And what that does is it doesn't remove any of your drafts, your messages, anything like that, but it force updates Instagram to the latest version, which a lot of times gets rid of any kind of bug that could be causing that no music found, missing error and stuff like that. So once it reinstalls, you can see I can go back in here, I can swipe to the right, record my video, and then add music to it, and you should be able to get any song that you want to get on there. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.